Hello, everyone. This is Rhonda, the Virtu Works For You Mompreneur, virtuworksforyou.com, coming to you live this beautiful Saturday, helping moms who are new entrepreneurs grow businesses online via attraction marketing and content marketing. And today I am coming to you to show you how to set up a YouTube channel for your business. So today's topic is YouTube for beginners, how to set up a YouTube channel for your business 2018. And so I am going to go to Google's main page because the first step is creating a Google account. So I'm going to go here to Gmail. And I am going to remove these accounts first okay, so right here where it says create an account, I'm going to click there. And so you won't put in your information. And I am going to just make up a name for business purposes, for this tutorial purpose, excuse me. Oops, that's not it. So my name is Hustle Mom, and this Hustle Mom would be my Gmail name, and account address hustlemom@gmail.com. And then I'm going to put in a password. And I have to confirm that password. So hopefully that I said that right. So this username is already taken. So I'm going to try Hustle Mom 18. Okay, so you can put in your phone number if you want to. That's optional. Recovery email address is optional. You put in your birthday. So put in your birthday. Okay, put in your gender. And then click next. Okay, then you got to read the policies and terms and conditions. Click I agree. Okay, now it's loading Gmail so you can see your Gmail account. Okay, so this page is loading. Here's the welcome email and stuff, and you go through that. It show you how to get started, and you can go through that or just end it. You can figure all that out later. And here you get a welcome email from Google. Okay, and so I am going to go up here, and I am going to, that is the little dotted square. Then I am going to go to YouTube. So we can get the business account started. Channel. There is. So once this is loaded, you can come up here to where your picture is supposed to be and scroll where it has your picture, hustlemom18@gmail.com. Then scroll down to Creator Studio. Click on that. Create a channel. Click on that. Then you're gonna use YouTube as a business or other name. So I'm gonna name my channel Hustle Mom USA for purposes. Then you click create. Okay, so here, this is where you will upload and or create videos. So say if you want to create a video, scroll down to live streaming and click that down arrow and go to events. Okay, and enable live streaming. Okay, so you have to like account verification if you have a phone number and all like that. Now, I don't have a phone number, but I suggest you put in your phone number. So I select the country, call me with a text verification code, call me with the automated voice message in order to go live stream. So, it's pretty basic from there. You just fill out this account and then you'll be able to go live. And it's very easy. And right here where it has the little camera icon, where it says upload a video, Now, if you have saved the video to your computer, okay, all you have to do is click on this, and then wherever the video is, for example, you just find the video in your files, click on it, click open, and it'll upload. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And I would do another tutorial about how to set up live stream later. Okay, because you can also upload videos. Some people do that. So if you could do your videos on your phone camera or your computer camera, save them and upload them to YouTube that way from either your phone or your desktop. Okay, and so I'm going to go back here to click on this, the Hustle Mom icon, where you can go to your Google Plus page. Okay, so this is your Google Plus About page. So you're going to fill out your information here. I'm going to wait for it to load a little bit. You can upload a photo of yourself here. And then it'll ask you some more questions. You can add your info, add your websites, tell a story, tell a little bit about yourself, your contact info. So that's very easy. Like I went back and click on the contact info. You enter your phone, your email, your chat, your address. Okay, and then your Google Plus page, About Me page will be set up. This is where people see you, and they'll be led to other places on the internet where you are, your social media, your website. You can even put your YouTube channel up there. So that's pretty much it. And I'm going to go back to YouTube. And before I go, this part right here, you can make a graphic, and I made my graphic for my other channel in Canva. So I'm gonna go back to Google Plus profile, and look at that. Okay, this will be your home page here for your channel, and you customize your channel here. You click on this to customize your channel. This is where you upload your channel art. I did a video on how to upload YouTube channel art. So you can upload your picture here, upload your channel art here. You can create channel art in Canva. And I did a video on that. I will add that in the description. And here you say something about yourself here. So you add your channel description, your email, your links. And all your videos on your channel will show up here. Okay. So that is pretty much it there on how to set up a YouTube channel. And it's fairly easy. And I'm going to do another tutorial where I go even further in this. This is just a quick little tutorial so you can just know the basics of getting the channel set up and started. And so if you have any questions, drop them down in the description. I will also put in the description my video where I talked about how to create YouTube thumbnails and channel art. And it's very easy to add. All you have to do is click on this. And select, you have to download to your computer first. Download it. And click on your file. For example, and I'm just going to use this thumbnail from my other channel as, okay, that was too big, so I could use that. You can also choose a photo from the gallery. So let's choose this photo here for this tutorial. Say this how it would look on the desktop, TV, mobile, and select. Okay, and there it is. Okay, like I say, you can add your photo of yourself on your computer. That's very easy to do, like you did this one. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye-bye.